Hi, today's question is a grade 3 angles question. It was worth 5 marks. So that means there's a lot to be doing with this question. Read through it carefully, and as soon as you are ready to see the solution, hit play. Okay, so we're being asked to find the angle CQR. So we're going to mark that on the diagram. When we do that, we can see that there are actually two angles that make up CQR. So we're going to have to find both of those and add them together. We're also being asked to give a reason for each stage of our working. So we need to be mindful of that as we go through the problem. We've been given 56 degrees, so that's going to help us get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark on the opposite angle. So that angle is 56 degrees because of vertically opposite angles. I'm also going to mark on the angle next to it because I've got angles on a straight line. So that is 124 degrees. But as I say, we need to show all our working. So I'm just going to put a pause on the solving now and write down everything that I've done. So I'm going to show the maths and I'm going to give the reasons. Let's look at angle 1 first of all. I'm going to use the parallel lines to help me here. You can see that I'm putting on a C shape. This is a co-interior angle, and co-interior angles add up to 180. So if I do 180, take away 124, I'll get that 56. But that means that angle 1 is 56 due to co-interior angles. Now, at this point, I want to say that there is more than one way to get around a diagram. I could have used corresponding angles at this point and made my life a little bit easier. I could have gone straight to it rather than finding that straight line first. It's really down to what you spot as you go through the diagram. And as long as you're using proper angle facts to justify your steps, you will get the answer right. So you may have done a different route to me. That is completely normal. Okay. And now we're going to work on angle 2. Now, angle 2 is inside a triangle, but it's not just any old triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So that means that the two angles that we can't see or that we haven't been given are equal. So I do 180 take away 56, I'll get that 124 again, but I need to share that between those two angles. So I'm going to divide by 2, which is going to give me 62 degrees. Remember, pop your reasons down. So I like marking on a diagram, so I would always encourage that. Generally in the last step, I tend to just finish it off. So we've got 56 plus 62, and that gives us our final answer of 118 degrees. Okay, hopefully that's been useful. Please do subscribe if you are watching these videos regularly and you're finding them useful, and I will see you in the next one.